Fish on! Oh yeah, it's a medium-sized one. Oh yeah, I'll take that one. We like those size. So you want just kind of grab it by the gills like this so you don't slip. Put your finger in the gill. Should be safe. They don't have sharp teeth. You just have to watch for the hook. Wow. It swallowed it. Alright. Go from here. Underneath the fish. Cut all the way to there. Let's open it all the way up actually. That way you can access all the guts and spread up easily. Okay. We're gonna cut off all these guts and intestines. There you go. Gross. All this grossness right here. Okay. So we're gonna fry this fish with head and all for presentation. And let's go right here. Take away these gills here. A lot of stuff you can do actually with your hands. The fish is quite easy just to pull apart. So I just ripped it. Okay. And the rest, scrape it with a knife with the fingers. Let's cut that little air sac thing, whatever that is called. Dig in your hands and get in the blood. Scrape that with something sharp. Okay. And spray it down. There you go, right there. How you do it. That's how you clean it.
Next, scaled and onto the fryer. Now we fry some ginger. And we add it with some fermented soybeans. Then garnish with some cucumbers and some lime. Done. Bon appetit.